Hey. That looks so good. I just got a trailer in Burley Coho XC. Doesn't seem too, there's like 4 parts. Got a giant flag as well. There's my little Duke. Hi, say hi. Don't hit the camera. I'm gonna do a time lapse here and try to put this shit together right now. Yo. Hey, quit trying the directions. Stop. Alright, trailer's put together, super easy. I mean, there's probably like 5 steps you have to do, and they're all just like putting these little skewers in. Found out I ordered the wrong axle for my bike, so I gotta return that. A little bit of adversity. Overall, the trailer looks really nice, and I can't wait to use it. I already put her in it, she's got plenty of space. Let me see if I can get her in it real quick. Hey. That looks so good. Here comes the star. Sleeping. Behold in all its glory. Our home. Well, our mode of transportation. Got the right axle. But I also got a new bike for anybody that's observant. I decided to go with the gravel bike because it's way lighter and it's going to be more efficient over a period of 45 days or 2,000 miles, however long that takes. First practice ride, about to commence. Got her in the basket. I know there's not a lot of padding. It's going to be a short ride today. She got her shot, so she's tired. She doesn't want to run at all. Oh, you're so sweet. But I got an elastic kind of leash, just throwing it behind me, and hopefully it doesn't get tied in this tire. It's gonna be a learning process, like I said. Luna, can I get one smile? Can I get one smile? Out. Come on, out. Hey, out. Come on. Good girl. In. In. Good girl. Here we go. Good first tries. She's already tired from running. So there were some falls, and there was even a little blood. Luna knocked out her front tooth, but for the first day we got a lot done, and she's all right, and she's happy as can be.